This is a demonstration of welding coat hangers into the figurative sculpture that I do. I call it feminizing steel. This is a dog that I did with a technique, and I'm showing the technique here. I use a jeweler's torch with oxyacetylene. I take coat hangers, which I've cut into straightened into sections. I then attach one end of the coat hanger to the sculpture and weld it on. Welding is the same metal to metal. The coat hanger can be difficult to bend, so I heat it up to red hot, and then it's easy to bend. So I just move it around and do the curves. I do a technique I call laddering, in which I do one side curve, then the other side curve, and then add cross-hatching, which also looks to me like DNA modules. The technique is easy to do and fun, and I really like the idea that I'm recycling the materials.
Do another one.
There is a bit of a danger from sparks because the tip is so small that it gets deprived of oxygen or too much oxygen and then sparks and spits. So I work in an area that has minimal chance of fire hazard. I also keep a bucket of water nearby where I work so that in case anything does seem to flame up, I can put it out immediately. I've done about 14 of these pieces and started about 4 years ago. Chris Sorensen, a 90-year-old gentleman in town, showed me this technique. It's great fun, and I really like the effect of the sculptures. The steel, rather than being the usual straight, masculine, rigid forms, is curvy and curlicued and paisleyed, which is why I call it feminizing steel.
Whoa!
Shown is the reclining nude, which I was working on in this video. Hush is another piece showing the intricacies of the wire. These take several months for me to do as they're quite labor intensive. Thank you for watching. Evany, Zirul.